name is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today I got a very special unboxing. And I know it's been a minute since I've done some unboxings on my channel, but your girl be having to get her coins together, like, for real. I mean, I got expensive taste, but you know, sometimes that bank account don't be matching my wants and needs. But anyways, I know my scenery look a little different, and that's because usually when I film an unboxing, I try to do it during daylight so y'all can get, like, I don't know, some perfect lighting, but I don't have time for that right now. You know, it get dark super early. I cannot wait to show this to y'all. I do want to tell y'all that this item I have been searching for about a year and a half. Yeah, a year and a half. It's Louis Vuitton. And y'all know sometimes when something is a hard to find item, you be refreshing that site trying to get it. And y'all, I actually finally found this bag. Now, I didn't find it like on the website, an SA, which she's gonna be my new SA from here on out. An SA found it for me, y'all. So I cannot wait to show y'all what's in this box. So if y'all interested in seeing what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Here we go. So I do want to tell y'all that I was gonna have this as like a Christmas gift, but I couldn't wait. I had to see what was in it. Normally when Louis Vuitton sends you a package, it has like a little pull tab thing on the box, and this one for some reason doesn't have it, but I think this is because the SA shipped it straight from the store. Like, it was in the store. She was like, I got it. I'm like, can I get it? She's like, yeah, sis, you can get it. So, and she actually shipped it next day. So this came straight from the store. So I'm just gonna quit. I'm gonna quit like rambling and doing all of that. I'm gonna show y'all what's in this box because I know y'all want to see. The box is kind of heavy too, y'all. So I'm so excited to show it to y'all. Like, I couldn't wait. All right, I'll put this down. So this is what we got in the box here. Got some stuff in. We don't care about this. Yo! Yes! So, this is what we have. I'm assuming this is like a holiday ribbon. Let me get this out of the way. So, as you can see, this one looks a little different. It does have the red ribbon. So, like I said, I think this is like their holiday ribbon. And it does have this here. This is how big the box is. I wonder, can y'all guess what this is? Y'all ain't never gonna guess what this is. I promise y'all ain't gonna never guess. Leave a comment down below and let me know if y'all can try to guess what this is. But I'm gonna try to do my best unboxing it this way, because it's my first time actually doing it this way. So let me undo this. Let me see. She wrote me a card. Oh, it says Jasmine. Oh. It says, enjoy your new bag, hun. Oh, so cute. Y'all, for real, when I tell y'all, she about to be my new SA. For real, like, for real, for real. Okay, so now we put in the red ribbon over here. So I'm gonna open it this way so we all can see it at the same time. Y'all ready? Okay, so this is what we have on the inside. Let's see what she put in here. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I bet y'all like, just get to what's in here, but now y'all gotta build up some anticipation. Okay. So, there was nothing else in that little bag. So this here is my new SA information, as well as the receipt. So the way we did it was like a phone order, since it was in the store. So yeah. All right, so let's open this up. Y'all, can y'all tell by the shape what this is? Let's see how I can do this pretty. I'm just gonna pull it out because I'm not Vanna White. Like I can't. So let's just pull this out. So we have this. All right, so can y'all tell by the shape what this is? Let me put this down here. All right, let's just go ahead and get into it. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, y'all not gonna believe what this is. All right. Here's the top of it. If you know Louis, you know what this is. All right, y'all, just go ahead and show y'all. This is the Bumbag. Y'all, I have literally been searching for this bag for like a year and a half. For real. And it is never in stock on the site. But y'all, I am in love with it. Let me look at it. Let me check it out. So, like I said, this was actually done by phone order. And so I reached out, we completed the transaction, and your girl got a Bumbag. But I am so thankful to her. Shout out to Asia. She said I could say her name. Shout out to Asia for her excellent customer service. She really made me feel special. Sometimes I feel like when you shop at Louis Vuitton, I mean, sometimes I just feel like they don't make you feel special, and she really gave me top tier service. Like, I really appreciate her, and I'm in love with it. I do want to tell y'all that when it came down to this bag, I was kind of hesitant because of all the vachetta or vachetta, however you say that. I do not own anything that has a lot of vachetta on it, so I was really worried about the patina process, or I was also worried about like water spots or anything. So if y'all have like any suggestions on how I can protect this leather here and this here, I don't so much mind the patina, but I do mind like all the water spots and things that can happen to this. So if you'll drop some helpful information down in the comments on how I can protect this, please let me know so I can get longevity out of this, because I have been searching for this for a while. Like I said, this was going to be a Christmas gift to myself, but I really could not wait to open it because I had to show y'all what I had. So I'm going to go on with some of the detailing. So I don't know if I can get close enough, but it does have this here. And I'm going to try to show y'all some different ways that you can style the Bumbag just for versatility purposes. So, I mean, everybody knows that you can wear it like a fanny pack, but there's also other ways that you can wear it to be very stylish. But it does have like a pull tab here. And the zipper is here. And the mouth on it is kind of big. So this is what the mouth of it looks like. And I'm looking at it. So this one says made in Spain. So this one was made in Spain. From what I've been hearing, they don't come with the date codes anymore. They come with the microchips. I don't even know where to begin to look for that. So if you know where the microchip would be, please drop it down below in the comments, because I don't even know where to begin when it comes down to searching for that. I have not purchased anything from Louis Vuitton in a minute, because I told y'all like my coins have to be together. But everything looks so good with this. I'm looking at the stitching just to make sure. And like I said, the mouth on this is really big. Like, I'm probably gonna be able to fit a lot of stuff in here. And it does have a zipper on the back as well. Oh, here this is. So this is the textile card, the item number code, and here is the price tag here. So yeah, this is really spacious too. So I feel like if I was gonna use this, I probably would use it like while I'm traveling, just because you can put a lot of your stuff here, but you also can hide your very important documents here. Like this is big enough to hold a passport, a phone, and it's big enough to hold a wallet, like a small card holder there. Just because everything that you would deem most valuable, you'll want that closest to your body. So that is how I would use this compartment. But y'all, I am in love. I'm so happy. So stay tuned. I am going to show y'all like some different mod shots of how this looks on me. I am a size 6. Yeah, like a size 6, sometimes a size 8. I'm going to show y'all how this looks on my frame, and then, yeah. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all what the Bumbag looked like on me, just like the regular way. I did want to put on like just a white shirt because I didn't want nothing to be like distracting from like, you know, what was really what y'all really here for, and that's this. I can tell that I'd probably be very worried about this here because of I like to wear like really dark jeans. I don't want like any other jean transfer to get on this, so I really need to learn how to protect this while it's still good. So for now, until I know what to put on it, I will be probably wearing some really light denim or something that probably would have a least risk of transfer on this. But this is what it looks like here. Let me show y'all another way. So real quick, I just want to show y'all another way that I've seen people wear this. They kind of wear it like a shoulder kind of bag. Not really sure if I wear it like that, but that would be an option if I really just was kind of tired of wearing it around my waist or something like that. But this is how I've seen people wear it too. I've also seen people wear it like this. I will tell y'all this is probably the least favorite way that I've seen people wear this, but I do think that it's functional, especially if you just don't want something hanging right here all the time. But depending on your outfit, I do think that this would look cute. Everything just really depends on what you have on. But this is another way that I've seen people wear this. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the mod shots. I am so happy to have finally got my hands on this bag. I just feel like I'm getting to purse piece just a little bit. Well, yeah, a little bit. For this year, I'm getting the purse piece. But I just feel like I have accomplished a goal by getting this bag, so I am really excited. Like I said, shout out to my new SA, Asia, for helping me get this bag. I am so appreciative of her. I'm just so happy to have this in my collection. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I will see y'all in my next video.